I want to show you all my shirt. Check it out. Doodle Mom. And that is because Finley runs our house. Hey y'all, I'm Abby, More Than Just Skin, and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you took time out of your day to spend this time with me. So I've been watching some YouTube videos, and I have seen a tag going around regarding if you lost all your makeup and you could only purchase 10 products, what would those 10 products be? Now, I've decided to kind of twist it and change the tag just a little bit, and I'm gonna do it for skincare. So let's say my house burned down, or for an apocalypse hit, something happened and all of my skincare was gone. What 10 products would I purchase? This was not easy. Well, maybe it kind of was easy. I think I had a harder time doing this for makeup, and I also have filmed one for makeup, and I'm not sure which one's going to go up first, so you may have already seen that one, but I felt like it was a little bit easier for makeup than for skincare. I mean, it was a little bit harder for makeup than for skincare. Skincare, these are kind of like, yeah, these are the 10 products that I have to have. So let's jump into the video, and we are going to start. I'm going to do it in the order that I apply these products to my face, so we're going to start with taking all this makeup off. The first product that I would definitely pick would be the Jordan Samuel, the After Show Treatment Cleanser. It was formerly Plie Cleanser. This is definitely something I would pick for 2 reasons. Well, actually for 3, 4, 5. I don't know. It's because it's a multi-purpose product, okay? So it kills makeup. I can take my makeup off with it. I also can do a second cleanse with it. I also can do a morning cleanse with it. I also can put it on my face, and it has fruit enzymes in it, so it will be like a mask and kind of give me some exfoliation on my skin. So this definitely would be the first product that I would choose for my 10. Number 2, staying on with cleansers, it would definitely be the Clarins Cleansing Milk for normal or dry skin. Now this too will destroy my makeup. Now it doesn't do quite as good of a job as the Jordan Samuel, but it's pretty good. I also can use it, of course, as a second cleanse and as a first cleanse. So if these two, my cleansing ritual will still happen, and so these would be the 2 cleansers I would run out and purchase. Next, I would have to exfoliate my skin, and because I have sensitive skin, I have to use an acid. My go-to acid, and the acid that if I had to repurchase and I could only purchase 1 or could only repurchase 10 products, I would definitely go with the Pixi Glow Tonic. My skin loves glycolic acid. It is something that I feel like it craves, something that it needs, so I would definitely purchase this one. Next, of course, would be the SK-II Facial Treatment Essence. I just feel like this really does a lot for my skin. I would use it morning and night, and this would be something that I would definitely want to have back immediately in my skincare stash. Of course, I cannot live without the Jordan Samuel Hydrate. This is a hyaluronic acid. I think my skin, it has probably done the most for my skin out of any products that I've recently, in the past few years, when I really got on my skincare journey, started using. This is a must-have for me, so of course it's a product I would run out and purchase. And next, as far as treatment goes, I would have to have a retinol. I don't have the one that I would purchase in my current stash because I'm getting through some other ones, but let's be honest, I'm gonna pick Jordan Samuel's. I'm already making a Jordan Samuel purchasing these 2, so I'm gonna throw the retinol in. And I'm gonna put somewhere around here the picture, or maybe just completely across me, and flash it so you can see what it looks like. But it's a retinol oil. I can use it daily. I can use it every night. I love it. It would be something that I would definitely go out and purchase. Next would be an eye cream. So I've got, let's see how many products I'm up to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4 to go. My 7th product would be an eye cream. I have recently hauled some new eye creams, but I have not used them enough to really get an idea of what my feelings are to them. So if I can only purchase one, the one that I would go out and purchase is the Clinical Eye Complex. I think it's called Youth Eye Complex. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere. It's a great eye cream. It is definitely one of my go-tos, and it would be the one that I would purchase if I could only have 10 products. Now moving on to moisturizers. For daytime, I would purchase the Colleen Rothschild Sheer Renewal Cream. I love this cream. I think my makeup sets great on top of it. If I could only have 10 product, well, I don't know if it would go hand in hand with makeup. I don't know, because I probably wouldn't pick a primer. This is a great primer too. So this would be the cream that I would pick for daytime. The cream that I would pick for nighttime would be the Kate Somerville Deep Tissue Repair. This stuff is great. This stuff is wonderful. If on the nights that I do the Glow Tonic and I don't want to use my retinol, I can just use this and feel like that I'm getting a boost of anti-aging, of peptides, and that sort of thing. It's kind of a little dusty on top. I don't know why, because I use it all the time. But yeah, this is more of a pricier product, but it definitely is my favorite nighttime moisturizer. And last, for number 10, and definitely not saying that this is the least important, because it definitely is not, is a sunscreen. And the one that I would pick, of course, is the Elta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. I love this stuff. This stuff is great. Everyone needs a sunscreen daily, so of course in my 10, I would have to have a sunscreen. So yeah, that is the 10 products for skincare that if I were to lose all of my products, these are the ones I would go out and purchase first. These are my must-haves, things that I feel like I have to have. And also kind of thinking of how they work and how they work together, how they layer together, and that sort of thing. So yeah, I'm so glad you took time out of your day to join me. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. I would love to see you all back here. And as always, I hope this video finds you having a fantastic day and a great week, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, y'all.